We were friends, and you...
You saw what it's like for me out there. I didn't have a choice. And if you go before he gets here, everything will be fine.
Molly.
I'm sorry, kid. I am. That was fast. She's in the... Where's Cassandra Cain?
You? Again?
Are you drunk?
Come on.
Okay.
Right in the chest.
Where's Cassandra Cain? You killed my sandwich! Bye-bye, Birdie. No fair.
Is that really necessary?
You don't know her like I do.
He's gonna get you out of here. Did she really take you to a damn toilet?
This is nice. You're still conscious. You can still feel? Look at me. Are you a good girl now? I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl. I got one for all the little birds I help fly away from this world. I'm saving a special spot for you. Right here.
You're gonna have to be